morning, students. With regard to the developments in the examination with regard to the Karnataka State Law University, that means holding of the examination with regard to the Karnataka State Law University for the 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB, you know, there are a number of developments has been taken place. Earlier, our KSLU was to hold the even semester exams for the 5 years LLB and 3 years LLB students. But certain students, they have gone to the High Court of Karnataka, those who are from the 5 years LLB, they have got successful in cancelling the exams for the first to fourth year of the 5 years LLB with regard to the even semester examination. So, the Honorable High Court of Karnataka in the first week of February, it has cancelled the even semester examination for the 5 years LLB students with regard to the first to fourth year. It has Honorable High Court of Karnataka has cancelled the exams. That is the first thing. That is the very wonderful development. Later in this month, on 1st March of 2021, the Honorable High Court of Karnataka has extended the benefit of cancellation of examinations for 3 years LLB students also. That is with regard to the second and fourth sem students only. That too, only the freshers, not the repeaters. So with regard to our channel, so many students, they keep on requesting to make a video with regard to the whether the students who are repeaters, whether they can get the benefit of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka with regard to the 3 years of LLB, with regard to the second sem and fourth sem. Sorry students, this benefit has been given to the students who are freshers only, not for the repeaters. So that is the second development. And the third development is that with regard to the golden opportunity. And you know, recently the Karnataka State Law University has announced with regard to the examination timetable of odd semester examination. That is, Karnataka State Law University has called for the payment of examination fees. For the odd semester students. Those who are from the, either it may be 5 years LLB or 3 years LLB, to face the examination for the odd semester. I think you can be able to follow. So here, in that the notification only, our Karnataka State Law University has provided a golden chance for the students who has admitted to the law courses in the year 2009 and 10. But it was not extended further. So there was some ambiguity was there. Earlier, the Karnataka State Law University has announced that the golden opportunity will be given to the students, those students who lost the eligibility. But this was given to only the students who has been admitted to the law courses in the year 2009 and 10. It was not further, it has not been carried forward. But now, by this notification, from 9 to 14, the benefit has been carried forward. That is, yesterday on 4/3/2021, by the KSLU order number KSLU exam 2020-21 bar 863, the Honorable, due to the directions of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, in writ petition number 4070 bar 2021, the information has been given with regard to the giving or providing opportunity for the students who have been admitted in the year 2011, 12, 12, 13 and 14 for 3 years LLB course. So this is a very wonderful and great opportunity for the students who lost the eligibility. That means here from 9, in fact totally from 2009 onwards up to 14, the students are eligible to apply for the exams. But the thing is that the last date is only 10 March 2021. Very limited time has been given. So one request to all our viewers, kindly do share this video. Kindly do share this video to the so many the friends whoever you know, because I feel a number of nearly more than 20 to 30,000 students, they have lost the eligibility. Now it is only roughly my what you call guessing. Here the number of students are there. Now only very time today it is 5th March 2021 and 10th March. Only 5 days are away. Only 5 days are away to apply for the examination. So students, kindly intimate the students who have been registered in the year 2011 onwards up to 2014, 11, 12, 12, 13 and 13, 14. So here those students will get the opportunity. They can get through in the examination. They can become the lawyers. So it is a request from our TechBrain channel that you can do this miracle. You can spread this message to the students whoever you know who has lost the eligibility. Kindly inform them as early as possible, because now the exam dates will be going to be scheduled very shortly. So very shortage of time is there, and the thing is that there will be only a single chance. The students will get the single chance. That is the thing. So that's why the students, those who have lost the eligibility, they should get the benefit of this Honorable High Court of Karnataka order and of the Karnataka State Law University circular. Kindly, it is a request from our TechBrains channel to all of our viewers. Kindly circulate this information among the legal community and with regard to our legal law students community as early as possible. So this is with regard to the circular, that is the golden opportunity. So the students who are waiting for the golden opportunity, but time limit is very much only 5 days are there, and they have to get prepared for the exams. That is another hurdle. No doubt the High Court has given has courteous, and Karnataka State Law University has also released a circular, but time for preparation of the exams is very less. So the students, I keep on telling one thing you have to, if you follow, definitely you will get success in the examination. What is that one thing means? Kindly do watch our TechBrains channel, easy steps in solving the illustration problems video. I will do further more videos with regard to that concept. That is with regard to the examination pattern. What is the examination pattern you are having? So the examination pattern, you are having theory questions as well as the illustration based questions. So majority of the students, they don't know the steps for solving the illustration based problems. For example, for 80-20 scheme, in 80-20 scheme, there will be 10 marks theory questions will be there. There will be 5 questions will be there. 10:5 is 50. Another 6 marks question will be there. 6 into 5 is 30. 6 into 5 is 30. So here these illustration problems will be given. So the students, they are miserably get failed in this the attempting this illustration problems. This with regard to the 80-20 scheme. With regard to the 100 marks, As you know, 16 marks each question will be there, and it will be for 80 marks, and remaining two questions, that is illustration based questions, there will 2 questions will be there, 2 problems will be there. So 2 illustration problems will be there. Each illustration problem carries 10 marks. That is 2 illustration problem will be there. That is easily you can score easily. If you know the steps, definitely you can score good marks, you can get through. But the students, they just write the conclusion part. If any question has been asked in the examination, you decide this case, you give your logical reasoning. So likewise the question will be given. Just they will very content, they will happy in giving the judgment, yes or no. But it's not suffice, students. Here there is some ruling is there, international rule is there. That is the international law rule is there. That is a common thing. That is the rule is the issue rule, application, conclusion rule, I, R, A, C. So if you watch that steps in solving the illustration based problems by our TechBrains channel, you will come to know. So as far as possible, before starting the exams, I will complete all the subjects illustration based problems. But if you know that illustration based problems steps, definitely you can score good marks. Why you are going to get very the miserable marks? But what is my expression? What is my experience with regard to the students who get failed? They are going to say, sir, we have written everything, but we get failed. So when we see what is the reality, they have not answered properly. The question has been given with regard to something, they will write the answers with regard to the other thing. That is, I will make videos with regard to separate that one, that aspect. How to write the LLB exams. What are the things you have to follow. I will make the separate video. But as a valuer, as a what you call as an academician, what I feel, the students, they are scoring very miserable marks, very lower marks in attempting the illustration based problems. So students, kindly do follow the steps, do write properly. Don't do not under the impression that if you write so many pages, you will get the marks. That is not the thing. No need of the pages. What is expected? If you satisfy that the expectation, that's more than enough. As I have told you, you have to frame the issues. You have to write the rule. You have to apply the thing. Probably you may feel it may be difficult. It's not difficult, students. That's why from our TechBrains channel, I have invented some new method, that is PQRLM. That is a method in solving the steps in solving the illustration based problems. P means the provision of law. Q means the question of fact or question of the law. So that is we can call it as issues. So and the other things. R means rule of law. That is settled law. L means logical reasoning. M means the mature judgment. So it is probably you may seems it is very difficult. No need of difficult. Once you go to the steps in solving the illustration based problems, the video with regard to the TechBrains channel. Okay, this with regard to the general information, and with regard to today's circular, most of the students, Sneha and Sarvana Kumar and Nizar Ahmad, so many students, they were asking with regard to the informations with regard to with regard to the cancellation of exams for the second and fourth semester students of the 3 SLLB, whether it will be extended to the repeaters also. No, students, it's not. It has been enlarged, but the enlarged to the repeater students. It is limited only to the fresher students. So with regard to this video only, I have covered all those things. I thought of informing you with regard to all the developments. The first development is with regard to the cancellation of exams for the first to fourth year 5 SLLB. Then with regard to the US semester examination, with regard to the 3S LLB, with regard to the second and fourth sem 3S LLB students, that is the even semester examination has been cancelled with regard to freshers only, and with regard to the art semester examination, the examination notification has been has come, and with regard to that one, with regard to the students 2009 9 to 10, the opportunity has been given later. Now, by yesterday's circular, the opportunity has been continued from 2019 to up to 14. That means now there is no what you call there is no every student will get the examination. Those who have lost the eligibility, those who are writing those who have got the eligibility. So here they will get the benefit that will be called as a golden opportunity, but it should reach to the students, those to all the students who have lost the eligibility. Please inform them. That is the request from our TechBrains channel, and please watch that easy steps in solving the illustration based problems from our TechBrains channel. So this is with regard to the today's video. Still reevaluation results has not come. Please wait for another 3-4 days. Probably it may come as early as possible. It may come within 3-4 days. The reevaluation results will come. But keep on pursuing your law journey. Keep on studying. Don't lose the hope. Don't lose the faith. Just follow the steps in solving the illustration problem based questions, and please, very shortly we are going to do video with regard to the how to solve the theory questions. So very shortly, in the interest of the students of the golden opportunity students, and also all the students, our TechBrains channel wants to make the video with regard to the how to attempt the theory based questions. Already we have done how to attempt the illustration based problems. That is easy steps in solving the illustration based problems. But very shortly we are going to do that one. But earlier one video has been done from the TechBrains channel. So what all the steps has to be followed by the students in facing the law examination. That is general video. But here the very in this next upcoming video, we have our TechBrains channel wants to give very clarity with regard to the examples. We thought of making the theory based how to face the theory based questions. With regard to that one, we are going to make the video. But keep on solving the previous question papers. See our most likely questions from our TechBrains channel also. With regard to almost all the subjects, we have done the most likely questions for the benefit of the law students. Kindly go through it, and if you are satisfied, you can follow those most likely questions, and you can also do it on your own by looking into the previous year question papers. It's very easier. So this is the small information I thought of giving to you, students. I hope very shortly we are going to make the videos with regard to the whatever I have said to you. Okay. Thank you, students.